Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share this easy and delicious oven baked steamed fish in foil recipe. It's a quick and easy recipe. It's bursting with flavor and it's the perfect dish for any occasion. So if you love this recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more taste ideas, and also share it with your loved ones. So to get this recipe started, I've got 4 beautiful red snapper. That's what it looks like. It's nice and clean. We're just going to go in with a piece of paper towel and pat the excess water off this beautiful fish. And then we're going to continue with this delicious oven baked steamed fish recipe. So to continue with this delicious oven baked steamed fish recipe, we are going to make some shallow slices onto the fish just like that. This is going to help the seasoning to marinate into the fish. Okay guys, so that's what our fish looks like so far. We're going to get a small bowl. We're going to add all of our flavorful seasoning into the bowl. So the first seasoning which we're going to use is our Italian seasoning. So you will need about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Next we're going to add our garlic powder and onion powder. Now we are going to add a teaspoon of sea salt. Now we're going to go in with our all-purpose seasoning, so just a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Now we're going to add our cumin powder. Along with our cumin powder, we are going to go in with some ground black pepper. Now we are going to go in with our Old Bay seasoning to add lots of flavor to this beautiful fish. To add more flavor to these beautiful fish, we're going to go in with our Cajun seasoning. Now we're going to give it a very nice mix to combine all these beautiful seasoning. Now we are going to add some vegetable oil to the bowl. If you have olive oil, you can use that as well. Now you want to mix very well to combine those beautiful seasoning. Now we are going to season these beautiful fish. So we're going to get our brush. We're going to dip the brush into the seasoning and add the seasoning onto the fish, back and front of the fish. Make sure the fish are fully coated into the seasoning. And those fish looks absolutely beautiful, guys. Okay guys, so we're going to set the fish to the side. We're going to get our veggies ready. So we have lots of pepper, onion, tomatoes, Scotch bonnet pepper, and fresh onion. So we're going to get our foil paper. We're going to place the fish on the foil paper just like that. And we are going to add all these beautiful veggies around the fish. And then we're going to seal the foil paper. Make sure it's sealed completely. And then we're going to continue with this delicious oven baked steamed fish recipe. So now we are going to add the second fish onto the foil paper, we're going to do the same. We're going to place the fish on the foil paper just like that. We're going to add all the veggies around the fish. Then we're going to seal the foil paper. Now we're going to add this beautiful sauce on top of the fish. It's going to give the fish lots of flavor. So after baking in the oven, guys, this is the final results. This is what our fish looks like. The fish came out so beautiful. If you love this recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tasty ideas, and also share with your families and friends.